It's actually at the power station.
Oh, right.
So it's going to take me across to Queenstown Alley. Bridge.
Spend 3 minutes getting past security.
Yeah, we need to go on to go round. Go on, all around, come back, and then you take the right turn. It's middle of the day, so I guess he should be through now.
Oh, really? Is he?
Around here, guys.
Hey.
Around the area.
Hello there. Saying the ID. Gentleman's in there. Nothing ID. Losing the money, yeah.
What's happening here?
Enforcing the possession order.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
You
we
alright?
had delivered it 14 days ago to this address. I posted it myself.
Yeah.
Got photographic evidence and then I've tried asking him to leave. Found refusing. Put his hands on us, pushed us over there.
Especially there.
Hello, you're right. What's your name, sir? Vinicius.
Yeah.
How long have you been living here?
3 months.
10 months. Is it only you living here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Mate, what we got here, listen, I'll tell you exactly what we got and you can choose what option we go down. They've been reasonable, they've posted a letter to say that you've been evicted. There's a high court order here. Let me finish. In fact, go on.
So those people should not be inside the place. That letter is not the court. I have full documents from the court. I have the couch the court saying that letter not coming from there. I have the how evidence that they should not do this. Yeah,
Where's the documents you have?
So
no.
this is a high court order.
Yes,
This is stamped from the high
listen,
court.
listen.
No, you listen to me now.
No, I listen.
Okay, listen to me now. This is it's stamped by the court.
Yeah.
You can't fake that
No,
stamp.
I can't.
Okay, so we've got two options here. Okay, listen. No, you're not talking. Okay, you've got two options. You've pushed the bailiff, which is an arrestable offence. Okay, so we can either arrest you right now and take you to custody.
I prefer to be arrested then.
If you're arrested, they're in here. They're going to remove the stuff and
because
change the locks.
if you arrest me, you have to bring to me the officer, right?
We'll take you to the police station.
No,
The
yes,
bailiffs are here.
yes.
They're going to change the locks, and you'll be
If you
able to
arrest
take
me,
back in.
you have to bring it to me the officer. There, I have the whole document to prove what I'm telling you.
Where's these documents?
Like.
Vinicius, the easiest thing to do is just pack a few of your things.
It's
as
not
much as
easy.
you can.
It's not easy. Like someone coming inside my place. It's
Who do you rent this from?
Who
Who do you rent this from?
The property.
The landlord.
Yes.
And it's the landlord that's requested this court order for you to leave.
Listen.
Yeah. So the person. So you're not listening. The person that you rent this place from, he wants you. He doesn't want you here
Yes,
anymore.
but
So
we
he
have a
files to
lease.
the court.
We have a
You
lease.
have a lease.
The Harry, it's 17 March. If that's impossible,
This is signed by the court.
no, yeah,
It's not impossible when it's signed by the court.
he show one paper. I can show full case. I can show everything. It proves that's not real.
Okay, but the actual landlord, so the landlord,
But
the real landlord.
He had no authority to do this.
No, the court have
No,
authorised this.
but first.
Mate, look, I promise you, there's two options here. You either leave freely or you're going to be arrested, and then they're just going to change the
I
locks
have,
anyway.
I have the code.
So when you're
with the
arrested,
court.
listen, you're not listening to me.
Because that's what you tell me.
Okay, so when we take you to custody, they're going to change the locks and you can't get back in.
No,
And then what's going to happen then?
I don't get out of the place because that's paper. It's not really.
Let's chat in the room for a second, because you're not listening. I'm going to try and explain to you. We'll chat in here.
Look, we can shut here.
Take control of it.
Yeah.
This is good.
That's this paper look like, but the code like if it's not really.
No, it's a high court order.
I'm telling you,
We see these all the time. This is a high court order that says that you have to get out the property. So we can either do it the easy way, we can get more people on scene, and we can remove you from the property and take you to custody. It's up to you.
Okay, I prefer to go to the custody because I don't gonna leave because I know my rights. What they do? Like they look, they
Yeah, they'll be taken good.
no.
That's
This is what the
Yes,
whole.
yeah, I have a full case to prove that's not real. That's not real. That's my point. Yeah, I have the papers. I have the stamp too. Yeah, I can show you.
But this is
no,
from.
like
Okay, but listen to me. If we go to custody,
yeah.
if we go to custody now, which is very likely the way you're acting, they're going to change the locks. So
Okay.
listen. They'll change the locks on the door. You won't be able to get back in regardless.
You're just going to
So
be
what-
in a cell for
No,
a day.
Okay.
Waste your own time when you
Alright.
could leave
because
with a bag, go and get somewhere else to
because
stay.
that's not the right thing to do.
Are you
Like,
realising this is high court?
yeah, I have
Like,
full paper to prove that's not real. If you guys wanna push
how
me
is it
out,
not real? It's got a stamp on it saying.
the papers I have stamped too. You guys have it too. No.
This
It's
is
not the
how-
same.
Also, Vinicius, somewhere.
That's it.
You can see it, yeah, of course.
Vinicius, somewhere they've posted this to you, so they've given you warning.
14 days ago they came here, hand delivered it.
It's easy for you, Vinicius, to pack a few things, find somewhere else to stay. If you have a problem with all this, you're going to have to call people, call the court.
Sorry.
But you can't stay. You can't stay here.
You're just.
You realise.
Sorry. I
realise you're
respect you.
I respect you too. I think you're just making it more difficult.
Yes, because
You don't want to be in a cell for a day for no reason.
No, I don't will be there because I'm right to do this. So now that's my place. Somebody cannot just come in, open my door, change my lock, put me out. They need it. They need it. They need it. What is the order by the judge? What is the order by the what's the order signed by the judge? What is the reason for? No. The stamp is the stamp. What is the order by the judge say I lost my place? Don't have.
I think they posted it to you.
No, don't have it. Ask for the.
But
bring it out.
they have proof
No,
that they
ask, please.
We don't need that. That's
No,
what I'm
but
telling you.
but
It's
I
been
need,
posted. It's
but
been delivered 14 days ago.
I need it. If they want
No,
to
you
do
don't.
this,
It's now on the court. Look, if there's
listen, this paper don't say anything. What is the case number? This paper just have my number. What is the case number? What
It
is
doesn't
the?
matter. It's on there. So you're going one way or another. You can
No.
choose. We can either do it the hard way or the
Okay,
easy way.
if
The
you-
hard way is we go straight to custody now. You're going to be
Okay,
arrested for common
okay.
assault.
I'm ready. I'm ready for go to the custody. I'm ready for.
But you know what you're going to custody for, right?
No, yeah, I know.
What
I'm
are you going to
ready.
custody for?
What? You gonna put me in the jail? Okay, I'm
For
ready.
what? But what? For what?
No,
You're
for
not listening.
no, okay, because I don't want to leave the place.
That's not why you're going to
No.
custody. You're going to custody for pushing the guy.
No, they should go to the custody for they pushing me inside my place without authority because like they come in with this paper, this paper don't say anything.
It does.
What the paper say? What's the reason? What is the reason they here? What is the order the judge sign?
It says it on there.
No, what is
That's from the
what
judge
is
right there.
No,
It says
that's
She
this
says possession of the land.
Possession.
This is the land.
This is the land. That's the court order.
No, but
The flat is the land.
like, listen, I'm not.
To take control of the goods from the defendant.
Mate, we
Vinicius,
can either
that's
do it
you.
with you getting a bag and you can just leave with all of your
No,
stuff, or you
sir.
go to custody, you don't get a bag, and then you're going to be locked out of here for forever.
Okay.
And you're not going to come back.
Okay, I'm ready to go to the custody.
Okay, let's go then. We'll go for that. Okay.
Okay. Because don't
But then you don't get a bag at that point. So right. So, I thought you said you're going to custody.
So listen,
Mate.
okay.
So right now you're under arrest for common assault of the bailiff. We'll go around the back. You don't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you don't witness when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Okay.
Okay.
The reason for your arrest will be for prompt and
That's
effective
true.
investigation and
That's
to
true.
prevent any further harm to the
That's
bailiff, the
true.
person who you've assaulted.
Do you have any
That's
medical conditions?
That hurts? You
Yes.
say it hurts?
That-
Yeah, because you
that-
have to keep your hand here, look. Keep your hand here.
Anisis, do you have any medical
No pain.
conditions?
Yeah, I do.
What's your medical conditions?
I don't want to talk about that. Fine.
No, we need to know because we look after you.
Control
I
from
don't
two,
talk
three.
in the police.
Do you have asthma or anything?
I don't want to talk
Do you-
about this.
We
Yeah,
need to
can we
know,
arrange
do you-
cell space and
do
get
you
a van
have
please
medication
for
for that?
Park West?
That's hurts me. Like even if I put my
Give me a
hand,
second, mate, and I'll sort it. Give me a second.
my hand back.
Yeah, it's an arrest for common assault, now calm and compliant, no medical.
Leave your hands like
No,
this.
it's true.
They're not comfortable. They're
No,
not
it's hurting.
260210.
Anisis, there's plenty of space there.
There's plenty of space that we can get a finger in.
No, I'm talking with the bottom.
The bottom one.
Yeah.
Anisis, do you take medication for anything? Because we need to know, because we need to take it with us.
My turn.
You realise if you go to custody without it, you're not going to be able to take the medication.
Okay.
But what? We just want you to have your medication if you need any.
That's fine.
Do you have asthma, do you have diabetes, do you have mental health?
Thank you.
Do you want to take your phone with you?
Yeah.
Phone there as well,
That's recording.
Don't.
We're going to take his custody. Are you alright to hang around just so we can get a quick statement from you just to say what happened? Have you got body worn video of the incident? Or? Yeah?
All on there.
Perfect, so we can get a copy of that as well, yeah?
Yeah, I can get a copy. Send that over.
If you do that, that's my son too.
That's your phone as well. You want us to take that with you?
Yeah.
Yeah?